Look, I didn't mean to take a 2-day hiatus, but this college thing is getting serious. This college thing, I wish I could just go to professors and be like, look, your interview you want me to do and the paper you want me to do, it kind of interferes with my at-home schedule, and that's actually making me money. Being in this class is putting me in debt, so can't do it. You know what I'm saying? I got previous engagement. I wish I could do that, but I can't because that's a zero, and I'm paying for the class. I'm paying for the class, and I can't do that. But anyway, yeah, your boy had homework, had papers to do, so I can't really squeeze in no reactions. But it's the weekend, so I try to whistle that didn't go right. Anyway, court cam. This is about a teen suing their parent. I don't have that liberty because I gotta have someone to live when this college stuff is over, just for a little bit, for hopefully around like no longer than 3 months. But I gotta have somewhere to live, so I can't sue my parents. But anyway, court cam. We're gonna see what's going on. So without further ado, let's go.
It's a broken family dynamic at this point. I'm not sure exactly how we got there, but we're here.
Next, we go to family court in Morristown, New Jersey. The plaintiff is 18-year-old Rachel Canning. The defendants?
Whoa. Is that a private school sweater? She gotta go to private school. It looks like she got on a uniform, right? So, is she still in high school?
The plaintiff is 18-year-old Rachel Canning. The defendants? Her own parents.
Well, what did they do?
The teen who claims she was verbally abused and kicked out of the home is suing them for financial support. She's seeking $654 per week to cover private school and college tuition. And
Wait. This may be a little bit cold-hearted, right? But she's 18, right? She's legally an adult, right? So, aren't you kind of like on your own in a little bit? You know what I'm saying? Go sit behind some closed teeth, because I don't know if what I'm saying is right, but at 18, you're an adult, right? You're on your own, correct? So, am I tripping or nah?
Payment of her legal bills. The parent to cover private school and college tuition and payment of her legal bills. The parents claim Rachel made her own decision to leave home, and as such, they're not responsible for her bills.
Yeah, that's right. That's fair. If you decide to leave home and you're 18, legally an adult, or am I wrong? Yeah, you pay for your. What you suing me for? What's her name? Chastity? What's her name? Megan? What's her name? Did you say her name in the beginning?
Sure exactly how we got there, but we're here.
Next, we go to family court in Morristown, New Jersey. The plaintiff is 18-year-old Rachel Canning.
I said Chastity. Rachel, Miss Rachel. Yeah, you grown. So, what am I paying for? That you can't pay for in your home. If you decide to leave home, but we don't know yet, so I just kind of went on 10, but we don't even know.
And is still dependent on her parents.
I believe that she is
an emancipated adult. Even though Canning's 18, she claims she's not an emancipated adult and is still dependent on her parents.
I believe that she is a vulnerable young woman, and her parents aren't taking care of her, and I'm asking the court.
Who paid for the attorney? Unless it's a public defender. Right? Or a public attorney? What's it called? Public defender? Anyway, who paid for the attorney if she ain't got no money? If she can't pay for her tuitions and her phone bill?
To help her in this very difficult situation, because they have constructively abandoned her. And I believe that they are being negligent and irresponsible.
These statements that they don't want to help her and they've left her on the street are so dramatic. There's no reason she couldn't come home to her household and her private school and her new car, but she didn't want to give up the boyfriend.
Right, thank you very much.
Whoa, I know. This better not be over, though. I hope she did not just leave the house because she didn't like her boyfriend at 18. Yes, you're an adult, but you're 18. And the thing is, like, when I was 18, I was a know-it-all too. So, but the chances that you end up with that boyfriend for the rest of your life are slim to none. Very slim. So, at 18, I hope she didn't leave the house and do all this for some little boy.
On the
I
street
really hope
are
she
so
did.
dramatic. There's no reason she couldn't come home to her household in her private school and her new car, but she didn't want to give up the boyfriend.
Great, thank you very much, counsel.
One of the driving forces behind the suit is that mom and dad don't approve of Rachel's boyfriend.
She did this over a little snot-nosed boy at 18. When she gets older, if they don't work out, and when she gets older, she's going to regret this time of her life. Honestly. If they don't work out and they break up or whatever, when she gets older, she's going to look back at this time of her life and feel like the biggest idiot in the world. You sued your parents. I wish I would sue my parents because they don't like my girlfriend and I decided to leave the house. Wow. And I wish my kid, you gonna bring me to court because I don't like you, man. I don't care what the judge rule. I'm still not. Okay. I wish the judge will rule on. No,
Her
I'm not
attorney
doing
reads a
that.
transcript from a phone call made by Rachel's mother, Elizabeth.
We gave
Listen
her
to
the
mama talking about
ultimatum
that.
of breaking up with her boyfriend, and if she didn't break up with her boyfriend, then she wasn't allowed to stay past her 18th birthday. And that's the crux of it. That is the problem in this case.
But according
But what's wrong with that? People get kicked out at 18 all the time. People get kicked out before 18, but which I don't agree with. But at 18, as long if you're 18 and graduate high school, because some people they turn 18 on their 18th birthday, they still have a couple months left in school. Like me, I'm a November baby, so when I turn 18, I still had like a couple months left. But anyway, but past 18, I feel like I wouldn't do it to my kid. I don't think I'd just kick him out at 18, me per se, but I mean,
to Rachel's parents, the boyfriend is part of a much larger
How
problem
old
with
is
their
the
daughter's
boyfriend?
behavior, which they've shared with Judge Peter Bogard.
They raised several issues, and obviously several mistakes have been made. The young lady who is in court has an alleged history staying out during the week from 12 to 1 o'clock, drinking, was brought home one night by a male friend's parent at 3 o'clock, intoxicated, school suspensions, was stripped of her captaincy as a cheerleader, was removed from the campus ministry.
oh yeah, he got her acting rebellious. He got her acting rebellious, but oh man, yeah, but some of this is on the parents too. How your 18-year-old daughter just get out your house at no? That's why I believe in ADT. I got security everywhere. I got securities on the window. I got securities on the back door, on the front porch. I got motion sensor. Nah, we ain't gonna be doing no sneaking out the house. No, that's not gonna be happening over in the Williams household. No, sir. It just, cause that's dangerous. And then waking up and you don't know where your kid is at. Ooh, I'm getting mad already. And I don't even got kids, but no, we not doing that. We.
I don't think what the Canning is saying is true.
According to Canning, the verbal abuse she suffered at home was so bad, her private high school supported her decision to leave.
They have been
What'd they say?
behind this move because they see and they know that what's going on in the Canning household is not good for Rachel.
But what did they
Unfortunately
say?
for Canning, the decision for the money, known as emergent relief, is not up to the school. It's up to the judge. But after hearing an angry voicemail Canning left for her parents,
You're a real winner, aren't you? I really just want to all over your face right now.
Wait, what? Who says that? What? Who says that? Okay. But wait, who left who for her? Wait.
But after hearing an angry voicemail Canning left for her parents,
she said this to her parents?
Aren't you? I really just want to all over your face right now.
Who says that though?
Anyway, I hate you.
Oh yeah, oh, I'm loving this. Yeah, you hate me? Okay, that's cool. You hate me? Get out. Yeah, that's one thing. That's growing up. One thing you cannot say in the house. I hate you. Okay, you hate me? Let me show you how much. Yeah. All right, let me show you how much you depend on me. How much you need me. You hate me? Cool. Boom. Nah, we don't. I hate you. And then who? That line.
I really just want to all over your face right now.
Like, you need some new friends or something. Y'all don't ever like, what do people call it? Snapping, Joan, get on it. Y'all don't ever get on each other. That's the best thing you could.
Anyway, I hate you. Have a nice life.
he has some strong words for the plaintiff.
Have you ever seen a young adult, child, whatever we want to call Rachel, show such gross disrespect for a parent?
Yeah, right. Didn't they say she had a new car? You in private school. Private school is expensive. Private school is expensive. You in private school. You in college. You know what I'm saying? Tuition, that's expensive. I'm in college right now, I know. You got a new car. You got a new car. Cars are expensive. I just bought one, I know. Man, 18 years you've been in the house eating up food, taking up air conditioning. We taking you on trips. You know what I'm saying? We getting your hair done. You getting your nails done. And you hate me? And you gonna disrespect me? Man, alright.
The words that were used in a voicemail to her mother?
Yeah, alright.
Maybe you have.
It's not
I don't
right.
see it in my house.
I'm not exactly, you don't see it in your house. However, we also have the certification from the teacher
They heard too.
where the mother is calling the daughter the same kind of name. So I would go, that's the parents that set that
I'm your
precedent.
mom.
They're the ones who raised this child. This is the language that they're using in their household.
He not listening. You see his face? That's exactly how I'd be sitting there looking at her. Yeah. Okay. Over a little boy. Why don't you go stay with a boyfriend? Where he living at? Where does he stay? What he got going on? You want to talk? Where your boyfriend at? That's who you doing all this for. He the one who got you out here drunk. He got you. You get kicked off the teams. You give yourself a bad look. You going down the wrong path. We see that for you. We know. I'm telling you, when she gets older, she's gonna regret all of this. She's gonna regret all of this. She's gonna feel. Why do I have this in my head? She's gonna feel like the stupidest person in the world when she really realized what she's done, the pain that she's caused her parents, and what she's for a little boy.
Are we going to condone or open the gates to a 12-year-old to sue for an Xbox, a 13-year-old to sue for an iPhone, or how about a 15-year-old asking for a 60-inch flat panel TV?
I
understand the allegations that are raised in this case are far more serious than those types of material goods. But again, I'd like the full counsel to be mindful of a potential slippery slope here.
Finally, the judge makes his decision.
It's already been made.
All requests at this time for emergent relief are denied.
Thank you. Wait, have your boyfriend pay for all of that. That's who you chose. Anyway, you chose your boyfriend over us. Have him pay for all that. Where is he at? Why is he not in the courtroom, Judge? Why is he not courtside? Boom. On the bench behind us. Have your boyfriend pay for all that. No. This is stupid.
Canning eventually returns home and later drops the lawsuit. And in case you're wondering, she did break up with the boyfriend.
That's what I'm saying. So maybe it's because I don't have a kid. So like, I can't really say I fully understand because I don't have a kid. But at the same time, I grew up in a house, that taking people to court, that suing people in your family, That's not cool. That's not what we do. So, Now, if it's about business, okay. But you suing me because I'm telling you, no, you can't stay with you can't have your boyfriend? And then you take me to court, you got me on TV, you saying all this stuff to me in a voicemail, and then you trying to come home? No, sir, we not doing that. That is not happening. No. I love you. I love you. I love you so much. But like I said, I don't have a kid, so, but it's just, for me right now where I am in my life, I love you. But yeah, I can love you from a distance. Nah, we not, I wish you all the luck. I'm a winner, right? Yeah, you about to see that. I'm a winner, right? Okay. I'm not smelling the moving back home. That's not gonna happen. And then gonna move back home. I'm gonna pay for your tuition. It's all about to be hunky-dory. No. Next. Anyway, that's gonna be it for my reaction, y'all. If you enjoyed this reaction, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll be back with you guys next time. She really made me go on a rant. I'm out.